Detailed analysis. 10 Strange things in the Himalayas, the mountains closest to heaven. 1. Everest, still growing every year. Do you think the highest peak in the world is fixed? Not at all. Mount Everest, 8,848.86 meters, is still rising each year due to the collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This is one of the few places on Earth where the geology is still actively changing, altering the landscape over time. At a rate of about 4 millimeters per year, Everest is not aging, it is developing. 2. The Yeti, legend or undiscovered creature. Since the 1800s, explorers, monks, and locals have been passing down stories about the Yeti, a half-human, half-beast creature living in the frigid, snowy mountains. Giant footprints in the snow, roars in the night, and strange fur found have haunted the Western world. Although science has yet to prove the existence of the Yeti, the fear and curiosity remain. As a reminder, nature still holds many mysteries yet to be uncovered by humanity. 3. Everest, the frozen graveyard of hundreds of climbers. Everest is not just a dream to conquer, it is also a massive graveyard. More than 300 bodies of climbers are scattered along the route to the summit, many permanently trapped in the ice. Due to the high costs and risks, most cannot be retrieved. There are famous corpses like Green Boots, used as a landmark for many years. Each time one passes by, it is a confrontation with life and death. 4. The power of meditation melts snow, a real scientific phenomenon. In Tibet, some monks practice tummo meditation, the ability to control body temperature to the extent of melting ice with willpower. They meditate in the snow, covered with wet blankets, and the blankets gradually dry. Science has studied and confirmed this phenomenon. Their brains generate heat from within, helping the body stay warm without the need for clothing. 5. Rupkund Lake, the unsolved mystery, located at an altitude of nearly 5,000 meters. Rupkund Lake, India, is called the Skeleton Lake because it contains hundreds of human bones. 6. The Valley Without Lightning, immune to natural disasters. Near Leh, India, there is a valley where lightning almost never occurs, a phenomenon extremely rare in high geographical conditions. Many locals believe that this is a sacred land, protected by Buddhist energy, where enlightened beings once resided. Some researchers suggest that the unique terrain deflects electrical currents, but no one has fully explained it yet. 7. Breath freezing, a harsh survival experience. At over 8,000 meters, the air is so thin that breathing becomes difficult, not to mention temperatures can drop below 60 degrees Celsius. Just one deep breath can cause the water in the lungs to freeze. That is why climbers must learn to breathe slowly and steadily. The scenes of breath freezing in films are real, and real people have died from breathing incorrectly on the summit of Everest. 8. Conquering Everest. It's not about climbing mountains, but climbing time. An average climber takes 45 to 60 days to conquer Everest. This is not only due to the long distance, but also because the body needs time to adapt to the lack of oxygen, extreme cold, and low pressure. Climbers must go through 4 high-altitude camps, then climb up and down multiple times to acclimatize. This is a test of willpower, patience, and physiology. 9. Insects living at unimaginable heights. The butterfly known as Parnassius epiphus, Himalayan Apollo, lives in areas over 6,000 meters high, where there is almost no oxygen and the cold is paralyzing. It is considered an insect legend for existing in such unimaginable conditions. This raises the question, how many beyond imagination creatures are living in places that humans cannot reach? 10. The Himalaya sky, where the stars seem within reach. At night, when there is no artificial light, the Himalaya sky appears like a giant tapestry of stars. This is one of the most beautiful stargazing spots in the world, where the Milky Way is visible as clearly as in a science fiction movie. Many people who come here say, I no longer feel like I am standing on Earth. The Himalayas are not just the roof of the world, they are an ecosystem of mysteries, science, and spirituality intertwined. From the majestic peak of Everest to the bone-chilling lakes, the snow-melting monks, and even the Yeti, everything here compels one to look up and reflect. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see the next videos.